Okay, welcome back. It's the next exciting adventure of Will It Start? So what I've done is I've pushed the accelerator forward, turn it on, so the ignition is on, and we're going to try to jump it, going from the positive to the negative down here. Got my safety glasses on, let's see what happens. Nope. Come on, baby. Come on. Close the throttle a little bit. About there is where we had it set. It normally just starts right up. Come on. It's a diesel, right? I wonder if it's getting spark. Alright, back to the joyride. Hold on a second. Alright, hit it with some ether and put some more diesel in it. So let's try it again. Let's put on some gloves real quick. Alright, turn the ignition switch on. We have lights on the dashboard. Okay. We are full throttle. Safety glasses on. Contact. Breathing on them apples. Okay, that was close. That was close. A little bit more ether. Well, there you have it. It will start. It's not getting gas. So, let's trace the fuel line. Hey, that's a step up in the world. At least it started. Oh my gosh. It started. I'm wondering if it'll suck the fuel through or not. Sure would be nice if it primed itself. Figure out what's wrong with the prime. Let's check this. This is the fuel filter. There we go. Fuel filter was completely empty. I just unscrewed it. Just unscrewed it a little bit. Screwed it back in. I'm going to back it off of full throttle and put it on regular throttle. With some starter fluid. Okay. keep listening. Well, that is super exciting. Okay, so we proved that it was starving for fuel. It came over here. I unscrewed the fuel filter. Fuel came out. Sprayed it with the starting fluid, and it started. We're gonna let that warm up for a little while, and this is detached. I'm supposed to be able to have to wait to figure that out. But it's running. Exciting. Let's see if this thing will go up. Look at that. Woohoo! Exciting! Hold it, hold it. I could have done that to begin with, huh? Well, we're here now. Fantastic. Okay, well, we're here now. I'm gonna let this run and clean up for a little bit. Thank you for watching. This is exciting. Oh, look, I'm losing stuff. Losing my blaster. And my gloves. Oh, let's see. Yeah, just put it right back where they fell off from before. Okay. What the hell was I doing? Here. Drive it. Oh, that's right. Okay. So one of the viewers talked about this being a guide rod that would go down and do something down here to show you with a tilt. Well, it looks like it's been bent, so it wouldn't work if something had to go straight through it. Got quite the bow to it. And even if it did, was it welded to something down here? Or did it go in? Did it have like a See how this one's in here? Was there a mounting piece down there somewhere? Not sure where that would go, but of course this is a Rhino. 2408. Now that we have the tractor running, we have power steering. We're just going to use the vehicle to tow it out and remove the front. We're going to see how that's done. It's going to be exciting. No wonder it wouldn't start. I got to find out where that diesel fluid's coming from. Okay, hold on. It's not diesel fluid at all. That is the window to the clutch that I showed you had a whole bunch of stuff inside of it. And you can see it's just weeping out, throwing it all out of there. Oh man. I think those were finger tight. Let's see if we can take a look in there. Don't get too close. Yeah, that's not right. That's not right. Well, you know, that might be why the thrust bearing went out and then the clutch went out. I don't know. But that's not right. Okay. I'll just let that splash out the rest of the way. Yeah, so not sure where the water's penetrating from. Ordered a new gasket for here. Of course, who knows? There's a problem with leaving tractors out in the rain. Do you spy with your eyes something new? Something I bought at the Kubota dealer? Something I'm keeping centered in the screen way too long? A little breather hose. Alright, it looks like most of it is splashed out. It's coming right at the camera. The oozing has stopped. Let's see. Boy, I thought that was diesel fuel. I mean, I know we had a fuel leak, but I didn't think it was that bad. Temperature gauge is working. RPMs are working. Water meter's not. Fuel gauge is working. Yep, that's warm. Just burring right along. Okay, why don't we look and see if we're charging? Where do you want to do it, he said. Well, I'm out. Away from the hoses. Positives right here. Should be able to get negative. Negative. second. Okay. Simple enough. Simple enough. Simple enough. 13.18. That's beautiful. This is on the lowest idle. So that little alternator is, look at that, going up, doing fantastic. Charging that battery back up. This thing's getting warm. Driving out all that moisture. It's one of the problems with letting stuff sit too long, so long, at all. It's moisture. Still kind of flicking stuff. I don't want to get my phone in there. That's what we're going after. It's not weeping anymore. Exciting. So now that it's running, we can operate all the hydraulics and including the power steering, so that I can just drag it to where it needs to go in neutral, because it's in neutral now. And that way we don't have to try to start it in gear and drive it over there by itself. Phew. Thanks for watching. What a great accomplishment. Great way to end the day with the sun going down. Hope to see you in the next video. Hope you hang in there with me until it's over, because it's not stopping. It's not over till it's over, and I'm not stopping till that thing is fixed. See you in the next video. Love you later. Bye.